In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a cheap $12 fire extinguisher that comes with a mount for your E9X, E90, any E9 chassis, or really any car. It's a cheap alternative rather than buying a professional grade mount. It'll be a lot easier. So let's get into it. I bought this off of Amazon and I'll be linking the product in the description. This is not a paid advertisement. So you get this mount, this plastic mount, you get Velcros, and you get the fire extinguisher itself, and it has a safety on it. So basically all you do in the case of a fire is you pull this pin completely out, and then you click the red, and it's gonna start spraying the fire extinguisher. So I'll show you where to mount it. You're going to pop the back seat of your driver's seat open. You don't want to put it in the trunk in case there's an electrical fire and the battery's completely out. You have no way of getting to the trunk. So this mount, you could either Velcro it, which I'm going to try, or you could also screw it and you'll know it's safe then if you screw it. I'm going to try the Velcros first. If the Velcros fall off, you could always put 1/2-inch screws in. So let's get to it. All right, so you're going to want to build this completely together. Put the fire extinguisher in it and take the sticky off of the back of the first Velcro, stick this one on, and then take the sticky off of the other side. Then you're going to want to come to the back seat, and this yellow piece, you want to butt this up to the corner here so that when you're taking corners and whatnot, it's not bouncing around. You could do it higher, you could do it lower. I'm going to do it lower because in the event that I do have passengers, I don't want this rubbing on their thigh. I'd rather have this here against the floorboard where their feet will be under the seat over here. So I'm just going to make sure this is in the corner as low as I can get it. Not too low because you still want to be able to pull out the mat to clean it. My mat is a mess, but then you're just going to stick it just like that. So it's pulling the carpet, but that seems to be okay. Seems to be fine. So that's all it moves, which seems to be okay because it's not flying out. So that seems to be all right. I'm just gonna point this upwards, and yeah, it seems like it's gonna be all right. It seems like it's gonna move that much. So in your case, maybe you want to fine tune this a little better. I just stuck it on. Yeah. So in the event of an emergency, you'd be driving, you can reach back and just pull it like that. Or you could just pull it and pop the seat, either or. And then to get it back in, these arms just go like that. And that's it. So quick video. It was a $12 fire extinguisher install. Just mounted it to the back floor like that. And yeah, it's a lot better than buying the $50 mount made for this car.